Next question number 10. The poles of equal heights. So here two poles. The poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either sides of the road. So here I am taking road. So here two ends. This is pole number 1. This one is pole number 2. Pole number 2. So two poles are equal heights. A, B, C, D. So both are equal height. Next, the road width is 80 meters. So this is given. The width of the road is equals to 80 meters. 80 meters. Next, a point between them on the road. So here I am taking E is a point, E is observer. E is observing two tops of the poles. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So one is 60 degrees. The observer is observing both the tops. So first pole top and second top of the pole. The angle of elevation. Here this one is observing and the observer is observing second one also. So the nearest one, to see the nearer object, we need to raise our head more. So this one 60 degrees, second one is 30 degrees. Here two questions. Find the height of the poles. So we need to find the height of the pole. That one is h meters. Here also h meters. Both are equal heights. Next, the observer from the bottom of the pole. We need to find height of the pole, the distance, the point from the poles. So we need to find the length of BE and length of EC also. So this one I am taking x meters. The total length of BC is equals to 80. So the remaining is 80 minus x meters. So the width of the road is equals to 80 meters. Here the point, the distance between the bottom of the first pole to the point is equals to, I am taking x. The remaining length is becomes 80 minus x meters. Now the solution. Let here two lengths AB is equals to CD is equals to x meters, AB is equals to CD, both are poles, that is equals to h meters. Now the distance between the width of the road BC is equals to 80 meters, it is given. Next, the length of BE is equals to x meters, then length of ECE is equals to 80 minus x meters. Then angle AEB is equals to 60 degrees. Angle AEB is equals to 60 degrees. Second one is angle CED is equals to 30 degrees. Angle CED is equals to 30 degrees. Next, here also we can see the two right angles. One is ABC, ABE. So in triangle ABE, this one is opposite. 60 degrees opposite side, this one is adjacent. So the ratio between opposite and adjacent is tan. So take tan 60. So tan 60 degrees is equals to AB by BE. So tan 60 value, that is root 3. AB is equals to h, BE is equals to x. So here the common length in both the triangles is h. So make h subject. H is equals to root 3 x meters. This one is our clue number 1. H is equals to root 3 x meters. Next, consider second triangle DCE. In triangle DCE, 30 opposite side, adjacent side. So take tan 30. tan 30 is equals to opposite is CD by adjacent is CE. CE tan 30 value 1 by root 3 is equals to CD is equals to H by 80 minus X. So here also just to make H subject, H is equals to 80 minus X by root 3. This is our clue to H is equals to 80 minus X by root 3. Now you take from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. So here one is also H equals to, second is also H equals to, LHS are equal, equate RHS. We will get root 3 X is equals to 80 minus X by root 3. Root 3 transpose to left side, root 3 into root 3, 3x is equals to 80 minus X. X transpose to left, that is 3x plus X is equals to 80. 3x plus x is 4x is equals to 80. X equals to 80 by 4, that is X equals to 20 meters. So the observer is observing 20 meters away from the first pole. Same time you find out the length of CD is equals to, that is CD is equals to, this one is length of AB is equals to, length of BE is equals to 20 meters, BE is equals to 20 meters, and length of CE is equals to, that is 80 minus 20, so CE is equals to 60 meters. So the point lies 20 meters away from the first pole and 60 meters from the second pole. Next, height of the tower. So tower is equals to, already H is equals to root 3x, no? So substitute x value in first equation. Substitute x equals to 20 in first one. That is equals to H is equals to root 3 into x, that is equals to 20 root 3 meters. H is equals to 20 root 3 meters. Therefore the height of the poles is equals to